I've been calling this my fall face, starting out moisturizing my lids with my favorite morning moisturizer, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and then going in with some eyeshadow primer, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, rub it in all over, top and bottom. Then I apply a light shimmery shadow to the inner corners, and then a dark brown matte. I use this as the liner on my lower lid. It's just a little less dark and harsh. And then using the partial eyelash curler, get in on those lashes, curl away. My favorite mascara for a while now has been the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly in waterproof Blackest Black, if they have it, or black if they don't. If you have a fan handy, now's a good time to fan those lashes. And product plug, I include one of these with every essential lash kit. Oh, and don't forget the lower lashes. You can use the partial eyelash curler to curl them as well. Look at those happy lashes. Now for liner time, the most intense time. Just kidding. Well, kind of. As someone with monolids, it can get pretty intense. I'm using the Smashbox Limitless Liquid Liner Pen. It is still my holy grail. It is the best. I just have to slab a bunch on there, tight lining, getting in all the nooks and crannies. Now for the star of the show, using the Lived-In Lifted Lashes because I want to show you how they look on my monolids and how they create a crease. I pre-curl them, add lash adhesive, and then use an opened bobby pin to move my natural lashes out of the way so I can lay the lashes as close as possible to my lash line. Adjust as needed, squeeze together, give a little comb through to make them look perfect. Now to finish eyeshadow, this time of year I've been loving a burgundy. I go in and create a little V shape on the outer corners of my lid and then take a gold shimmery shade and fill in the V with that. And then a light pink shimmery shade all over the rest of the lid. We're not done with liner. Now I like to create my little wing since I have an eyeshadow blueprint to guide me, and bring some of the liner up if I need to now that I have lashes on and I can see how they've shaped my eyelids. A little more tight lining and some more liner, but a different one, a matte one. I don't like when my eyeliner is shiny, so I go over it with this. And then an unnecessary step, but I like to do this, I take a black eyeshadow and draw a thin line right above the liner. This makes it look less harsh and it adds depth to the eyes. Now going back with the burgundy color, I fill in around my wings and connect it up to the shadow that was already there. Then I use a burnt red to shape the shadow a little more, definitely blend it out. Then I grab a light terracotta and use this to go towards the middle of my lids. Now get the hair out of the face because it's time to work on the face. Going back with my daytime moisturizer, apply all over, rub it all over, don't forget the neck. And taking a very small amount of a face primer to add to key areas that are starting to get wrinkly with time, like around the eyes and the forehead and smile lines. Add some eyeshadow primer to the brows. Shake, shake, shake that tinted sunscreen. This is what I use in lieu of foundation because it's super lightweight and it still adds a little color, a little coverage. Obviously, the sun protection is clutch. Pat McGrath concealer, my favorite, also using just a small amount in some key places. I'm spending a little more time on my brows these days as my microblading is fading as it does with time. I will hopefully get them redone beginning of next year. Apply a white shadow under the brows, and then I like to take a ridiculously glittery shadow and apply a little bit to the center of my eyes because it's really pretty. Add some blush to the apples of the cheeks and then some contour slightly above the hollows of the cheeks. Since I'm getting older, I heard this is a little hack to help you not look older. Contour wherever else you like to. Add some highlight if you feel so inclined. I like to use a lip liner. This is Sephora's Rose Wine. And then a bricky red lippy. It is not a bright red, but it is definitely not neutral. And this is my fall face. I was doing some bright orange and hot pinks over the summer. Now I've transitioned to burgundies and red tones. And thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.